So this is the 5th edition of this Leadership Weekend.
This event is not just an opportunity to enhance your technical knowledge, but also a platform to connect, collaborate, and build a networking. Let's make this event a memorable and transformative experience for all.
In this event, we have people from across the India. So that's the best part, that networking is happening. People are making families in different cities of India also.
How's the Josh?
Really wonderful to see such young and bright inspirational minds all together and sharing their own knowledge and insights with each other. So it's more of a connection also, and like interpersonal things. We can collaborate here for a bigger purpose, and I really enjoyed it. So much of learning and fun.
We came here to inspire, but I feel inspired as well. So inspiration दे रहे हैं, inspiration ले रहे हैं. That's the kind of community that you have over here. Really wonderful.